Hello friend, my name is Pavan Kumar, and in this video I will be continuously talking about the Vagrant and Kubernetes cluster installation. In my first and second video, I have shown you that from where you have to collect the documents and how you can up nodes for Kubernetes cluster. And in this video, I'm going to tell you that how you can access those VMs which has been created by Vagrant on your virtual box, and then we'll see how we can initialize Kubernetes cluster on those worker nodes and the master nodes. So let's see. So in my last video, I have shown you that how you can log in using git bash on your master node. The same thing you can do for worker node. So you have to do the vagrant and then SSH and then worker -1. Similarly, it will be for worker node 2. So you will be able to connect with master, worker, and the worker node 2. Now I will show you that how you can access these all machine using MobiXterm, or if you have a putty on your machine, you can use that too. Or you are a Mac user or Linux user, you don't need to put your MobiXterm. You can simply SSH to your machine as I have shown you in the git bash terminal. So let me tell you. Just click new session. In the new session, go to SSH, and you need to type the IP address of the master node. Then you need to select the private key to log in on that machine. So you have to go to the path where you have put your Git repository that you have downloaded from. So I have downloaded it in D Git Kubernetes Labs, Vagrant. You need to go to Vagrant and then machine and master node, VirtualBox, and then select private key. So once you will select, you can just click on OK. It will take you to ask you to connect with the master one. So you need to tap the username. Username will be default Vagrant for all nodes which has been created using Vagrant. So Vagrant, and here you are on the master node. So you have master node accessibility. The same thing I will go for the worker node and the worker node 2. So I'm pausing this video. I'll connect. Once I'll connect, I'll come back. Welcome back. So I have connected all master node and the worker nodes. So I have connectivity. So and you have also root access on it. So simply you can type sudo -i and it will take you to the root user, and the same thing and the same command you can use to go on root on worker node 1 and worker node 2. So now you are connected. The next step is you need to do is basically create a private key on master node and copy on worker node 1 and worker node 2, so that you can use master node as a control plane from where you can access and manage both worker nodes from one place, right? So let's do create private key and enter. So now you have generated a key. So you will find the key at the place, just cat ssh id, and you need to copy this key and just paste this key on all worker nodes. So I'll do the multiple execution, and then I'll go to this path, authorize, and I need to copy this key and save. So all we are set now. So from master node, you can just simply SSH master. You can do worker 1. You will go on worker node 1. If you will do 2, you will go on worker node 2. And the same thing, if you want to go on master node from the same machine, you can just simply click master node and you are all set. So we are completely done with the setup of the setup of the authentication from master node to worker nodes. Now we are good to go. So in okay, so in this video, we are done with the authentication setup. In my next video, I'm going to initialize Kubernetes cluster with the help of kubeadm commands. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye.